Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening to all of you. I'm going to explain ta'awuz. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. I seek refuge in Allah from shaitan the outcast. We know Allah is above the heavens, but He is very close to us. He even knows what we think. Recite the above with firm belief that Allah is responding to our request. Who is Shaitan, our biggest and most dangerous enemy? He has huge experience of making people sleep from the time of Adam alayhi salam. He made even Adam alayhi salam sleep in Jannah. None of us can be smarter than the Adam alayhi salam resisting Shaitan. Shaitan has told Allah, he will attack us from the right, the left, the front, the back. We cannot see Shaitan, nor hit him, nor convince him to become good. The only solution and the most powerful solution to recite A'udhu Billahi Minash Shaitanir Rajim. Shaitan disobeyed Allah and was thrown away Allah's mercy. This regime wants us to follow him and to become like him. He is there to take us to the hellfire. Therefore, feel insecurity caused by the attacks of Shaitan and ask Allah for protection. The way a desperate beggar asks for food. Each one of us each one of us has Shaitan with him. He is continuously attacking us, our home, office, market, while we are alone, with mobile or with friends. We are in a state continuously war with him. Habit number 1, safety first. Run to Allah for protection. This is the habit of successful person in this war against Shaitan. This is the habit of 12 that we will learn Surah Al-Fatiha.